Hey there, Math Stars! Welcome back to Kids Learning Loop, where we make math easy and fun. Today, we are tackling addition and subtraction with regrouping, using real-life word problems. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to spot keywords, set up your problems, and solve them step by step. Ready? Let's go! When solving word problems, look for clue words that tell you whether to add or subtract. Addition keywords: in total, altogether, combine, in all, increase by, sum. Subtraction keywords: left, remain, fewer than, decreased by, difference, how many more. Let's see how these work in real problems. Here's a problem for you. Lily has 247 stickers. Her friend gives her 189 more. How many stickers does Lily have in total? Step 1. Identify keywords. Give her more. This means we add. In total confirms we need to find the sum. Step 2. Set up the problem. First, draw your hundreds, tens, and ones column. Place each digit under its correct place value. 247 plus 189. Start by adding in the ones place. 7 plus 9 equals 16. The number 16 has 6 groups of ones and 1 group of 10. So, we write the 6 in the ones place and regroup the 110 to the tens place. Next, we add in the tens place. 4 plus 8 plus the one that we regroup equals 13. Number 13 has 3 groups of tens and 100. We regroup the 100 to the hundreds place. Finally, we add the hundreds place. 2 plus 1 plus the one that we regroup equals 4. So our answer is Lily has 436 stickers. Now let's try subtraction with regrouping. A bakery made 625 cupcakes in the morning. By the evening, they sold 378 cupcakes. How many cupcakes are left? Step 1. Identifying keywords. Sold means we subtract. How many are left confirms we need to find the difference. Step 2. Set up the problem. 625 minus 378. Start with the ones. Can we take 8 from 5? No, we can't. So we are going to go to the tens column and we're going to take 110 from the 2, leaves 1. And that 110 we are going to regroup to the ones place. Now we have 10 plus 5 equals 15. Now we can take 8 from 15, leaving 7. Move to the tens. Can we take 7 from 1? No, we can't. So we're going to take from the hundreds place. 1 from the 6 leaves 5. And we're going to regroup that 1 to the tens place. Now we have 11. 7 from 11 leaves 4. Finally, we're going to take 3 from 5 in the hundreds place, leaving 2. Our answer is 247. 247 cupcakes are left. Now it's your turn. Try these problems on your own and let us look at the answers together. Emma has 534 marbles. She gives 276 to her friend. How many marbles does she have left? Problem 2. Sarah collected 267 seashells on Monday and 159 more on Tuesday. How many seashells does she have in total? Alright, let's look at the answers. Problem 1. 258 marbles are left. Problem 2. 426 seashells are in total. Did you get them all correct? Great job, Math Stars. Keep practicing and you will be a pro of addition and subtraction with regrouping in no time. Remember these easy little steps when you are adding or subtracting. First, look for keywords. Set up your numbers correctly. Use regrouping when needed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss another math lesson. See you next time. Bye-bye.